Nice. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this thing looks sweet.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have a special barn find. So our buddy Chris says that there should be an old Honda, he thinks Ruckus, up in the storage of the shop. Says there's a storage unit that has a key on an inside shelf and that unlocks the locked unit that we've been wondering for the past few years, like what's in there.
Yeah, what year is this thing?
He says it's old.
It doesn't run?
Dude, he says this thing hasn't run in like at least 15 years.
15 years?
He bought it from some girl named Becky in Alston, like
a
long time ago on Craigslist, before like any of this stuff. So
all right, let's go check it out.
Find it. So let's
go.
Let's go see what's up.
All right, look for the key. Oh, what a mess. Oh, no bike in here, that's for sure. Damn, that's fucking messy. Chris is a messy guy.
What's Chris doing over here?
Said it was on a shelf.
Look at this.
Oh, we got the key.
Dude,
we got the key. Let's go.
I knocked it. All right. So this key should unlock this lock here.
Let's hope it does. Nice. Let's see what we got in here.
Dude, I was good old storage room. Yo. Dude, that's a wheel.
There it is. So what is it?
Is that it?
I think so. Oh yeah, that looks like a... Oh, that's definitely a Ruckus. Let's clean this up.
It looks like a Ruckus wheel.
Let's move this out of the way here. Let's get this. Let's see what we got. Oh, whoa. Whoa, this thing looks sweet.
Wow.
Whoa, it's not in the greatest shape. Dang, it's got a little rust on it. Yeah, it's a rusty old one. All right, hold on. Let's wheel this thing out.
Yeah, this seems good. Yeah, one more thing.
Let's wheel this thing out.
Tires are flat. Whoa, what are these pegs, dude?
Whoa.
Those aren't, that's, yo, what is this? What? Dude,
Oh, there's a lock. Do we have a key for that lock?
I don't know, man.
Here, hold on. Pull it out.
Yeah, pull it out. Dude. This isn't like a...
This is not your average Ruckus.
Yeah, what is
Whoa.
that? Dude.
Is it a real Ruckus?
Hold on, let's see. It says it's got...
Oh, yeah, Honda seat.
Huh.
I mean, it looks...
Yeah, I mean, that's... Let's look right here. Yeah, yeah, dude, this is the one. Really cool.
Oh, whoa, yeah, it's got
This is not stock.
a lot of mods to it.
This is definitely, someone welded all this stuff. Definitely an Alston special. You know what I mean? Pegs.
Dang. All right, we're going to restore this thing, huh? What did he say? He said if we can get it running, then we can keep
Said
it?
if we can get this thing running, it's the shop's. It's all ours. So...
All right, let's see if this thing's got any compression on it, right? Because
yeah,
it's got
before we do anything.
we don't have the key for it, but
How many miles are on this thing?
I don't know. It looks old. Let's see.
Whoa, 11.
Whoa.
Almost 12,000 miles.
Damn, dude, 12,000 miles on a moped?
Is this engine even gonna be good?
I don't
First
know,
things first,
man.
We definitely have to get a battery. We definitely got to oil change it. Probably should just...
Here, let's
drain
check
all
here.
the
Pop
fluids.
this out.
Yeah, what's up with this, dude?
Let's see what's under here. Oh, there is a battery. Oh, it's a lithium battery.
Dude, look, it's like...
Hold on, there's a test button. What is that?
NYC. Oh,
What
dude,
is
this is, you know what this is,
NYC?
dude? This is,
That's not.
it's like a tune.
This thing's tuned.
It's like a, yeah, it's like a CDI tune.
Hold on, the battery.
Let's
Hit
look at
the button.
Dude, this is a... This is,
That battery's definitely not gonna run,
oh,
right?
it says
A
blue.
lithium?
It says blue. It says full, dude.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's a lithium battery.
This is lithium.
no way.
Dude, we gotta find the keys.
All right, we're gonna get the key for this thing, and we'll get it fired up. All right, that's it for now. Let us know what you think of this Honda Ruckus. If you want to follow along for the series, we're definitely gonna rebuild this thing. We're gonna get it fired up and take it from there.
We gotta show the key to fire.
All right, that's it for now. Peace.